Crickets in the distance.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So guys, I got a 1994 Harley-Davidson Sportster. It's an 883 bored out 1200, and right now basically what I did was I made a 3-inch lift kit for my tank, and now I am doing a wire kit and ignition coil tuck. I ended up buying this bracket right here, that way so I can do the ignition coil relocation. And so I'm going to modify it so I can fit this ignition coil on this bracket. I got to put a piece right here, and then I also have to add a piece for the key and the choke as well. Alright guys, this is what I was able to come up with. Looks like I built the bracket for the bottom where the ignition coil is going to go. I'm going to put a hole right here, that way so the key is going to go through there, and that's where that's going to get mounted, and then my choke is going to get mounted right into this. I'll show you guys the finished product when it's done. Alright, here it is, all finished. I have on the ignition, like I said. The choke sits over here, and you have the ignition coil here, like I was stating before. Right now you can currently see a zip tie on here, but that's because the plastic on this side had snapped. So if you try to pull this out without the zip tie being there, it just pulls this whole piece off. I made some wires that are perfect for this right here. And then the only thing that I don't have a home for is going to be this piece that's back here, which connects to the carburetor. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. Is this piece back here. So pretty much the bike is done, except for finding a home for that. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good for a ignition coil relocation custom bracket for the original ignition coil that came with it. And I think it worked out well. What do you guys think? I also wrapped these wires right here in the fabric tape, as well as these ones right here. You can see I wrapped those ones there. I attached this one to the ignition wire that goes up right here. I think it came out okay. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a different opinion or if you think you would have done something differently.